A lot of people come to me and ask me why it is that I do what I do, why I spend day in and day out searching for the right contractor, and in this case at night. But I simply tell them, it's for that grandma who in late January has a storm come in, rips her roof off, and it floods her bonus room, and she doesn't know what to do. Who's gonna go on the roof and put a tarp over it and get that fixed when the weather clears? It's for that old man who's at home alone, who drops a coffee cup and it breaks his tile. So who's gonna fix that? I don't know. That's why I do what I do. And that's why people continually call the Contractor Connector. I'm there for you. I'm living in your neighborhood. I'm in the city. I care about you. And that's basically what defines the Contractor Connector.